Hi guys, how are you? In the last episode we've done the interior. New seats, car audio, steering wheel, RPM counter, upholstery, everything necessary for drive the car again. So today in this episode we're gonna start for the exterior. Some weeks ago I was visiting my friend Rafa in Granada and he makes me a really nice gift. A set of 15-inch wheels. These are the classic ATS Cup. These are painted in green. I like, but I think it doesn't match with the red color of the car. And judging for the vibrations of the steering wheel, I think this seen better days. The previous owner put this piece of metal instead of a plastic trim. In my opinion, it's a botch, so get out of here. The back door have several dents, so I'm gonna try to remove with a lever. For make pressure with a lever, first I have to remove the cover. I tried with several positions, but it wasn't successful. The metal is so hard, but at least I am dancing on the cover. Today I'm on a different location. My friend Kike lent me his own garage. Kike is a fanatic of the classic bikes. He collected, and it gets some classic cars, like this Mini. My purpose for today is change this horrible shape of the paint. I'm not a fanatic of the car detailing, but for today I'm gonna do an exception. I'm gonna try to let a second chance for this faded paint. I'm gonna start masking everything that isn't a paint. Rubbers, joints, bumpers, mirrors. Now the car is masked and ready for the first step of the detailing, and that will be decontaminate the paint. For this purpose, we're gonna use the clay bar. The clay bar is a sort of gum. You have to wet the paint and wrap all the surface. The surface have to be wet all the time while you are rubbing the clay bar. Here you can see how appears all the dirt hidden on the paint. Here you can see how the single layer of paint is losing a bit of color. Once the surface is dry, you can see how appears all the hidden dirt. And this is all that remains of the clay bar. The next step is to use the iron remover. This product helps to remove more dirt still hidden on the paint of the car. So let's to spray all the car. We do this outside because then we got to wash the car again. Guys, don't judge me for wet the newspaper. It's gonna dry very quickly, no worries. So we let the car dry at the sun, but not for a long because we don't want the hot paint. The third step is polish the car. We're gonna use this pad. It's a hard pad. And for this first stage of the polish, we're gonna use the Ultimate Compound, a really good product. We apply 4 lanes on the pad, but not so much. Then we share the product on the paint for not collapse the pad. And here you can appreciate the magic of the polish. Step by step, it's appearing the red color, a shiny red color. After 5 minutes, here you can see the before and the after. This result gives me wings for continually polishing all the car. Here you can see the left wing before to polish and the right wing after the first polish. The fourth step of this process of detailing is change the pad for a softer one. And for this job we change the polish. We're gonna use this one. It gives more shine to the paint. The fifth step of this polish is to use the ceramic wax. This product seals all the pores of the paint. Once the car is polished, we put the plate again. I cannot wait more. Let's go to see the result outside. What a change! What a change! The car is shiny. It's red. Do you remember before? Skoda doesn't get parts anymore, and I need a trim, the rear trim. So I'm gonna make my own trim. I went to the plastic store and I ordered this piece of plexiglass. I let him all the measurements I wanted. And this is the upper trim. We're gonna let it a second chance. For this job, we're gonna use the black texturized paint. It's called bumper paint. I started my journey with a flat tire. Once it's changed for the spare one, I'm gonna paint this trim. If you are asking you why I don't remove this trim, it's because it's too old. I don't know how it's the shape of the attachment, so I prefer don't touch it. I don't want to break it, and I don't want to go again to the Skoda dealership and listen again, oh, we don't got parts for this old car anymore. I applied 2 coats of black texturized paint, and after painted, it's time to this satisfying moment. I like to see the match of the black color of the trim with the red color of the car. I couldn't forget of the rear bumper. Neither I couldn't forget of the wiper engine cover. Also, we applied 2 coats of satin black to the wiper braces. One less task on the to-do list. Now it's time to screw the upper trim. And this is my handmade trim. Now it's wrapped on a black mat. I don't want to screw and drill the trim, so for this job I'm gonna glue it. It looks quite good, quite original. I found on a marketplace these Skoda logos in black color and red bottom, so I couldn't resist. Now I can tell the rear end is finished, and I'm happy with the result. If you follow me from a long time, you know I like to modify the headlights, painting the black bottom in black. This time will be easier, because we don't need to use the heat gun, because the glass it's not glued to the headlight. Remember to cover very well the reflectant part, because we just want to paint the non-reflectant part. For this part, we use a heat-resistant paint. I like this mod because it changed seriously the appearance of the car. I did on my Ford Transit, the Opel Astra van, the Opel Kadett van, the Citroën Saxo. In all my cars I did this mod. Also, I paint the grille. The shape where goes attached the front logo, it's concave, and the new logo, it's flat. So let's go to use my Dremel. The front grille have two faded chrome lines, so I'm gonna paint in matte black. I like how improved the look of the car these little mods. And for today we finish the front end. Nice! I'm gonna try to let a second chance to these rubbers. For this job I'm gonna use this plastic restorer. The new taillight has arrived, so let's go to install it. We have reached to the end of this episode. In the sunshine, we can appreciate how improved this little truck. It doesn't seem the same Skoda Pick Up truck. Now the car shines, have a trims. Guys, I am being bad to you. I'm letting the best mods for the next episode. Wheels, suspensions, and much more. So stay tuned because great things are coming. If you liked this episode, don't forget to give me your like. It helps me a lot. So be happy, guys.